Guys, today I'm going to make a very cool and special thing. I'm going to make a pork skin olives rolls stuff. It's absolutely delicious. Very, very typical from South Italy. This is half kilo of pork mince. I'm gonna add 50 gram of pecorino and the sheep cheese, 1 egg, some garlic, salt, black pepper, parsley, a little touch, how much you like. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. We are not master chefs, but we make always cool stuff and al bacio. Mix everything, a little touch of breadcrumb, 2-3 tablespoons. Gonna be soft, but not too soft. Okay guys, now take your skin. This, ask your butcher to clean, you know, all the fat. It's just pure skin, okay? If you have some hair, don't worry about that. If you don't like it, just take the lighter and burn it. But doesn't matter, they're gonna cook anyway. You're gonna need some string, or as well, like I did, ask your butcher. This is some elastic that is for cook. They have in the butcher shop. Some salt, pepper. If you like spicy, you can put spicy as well. A little touch of parsley. Again, here. It's good parsley here. And now we stuff with the mince. You know, put some in like this. And roll it. Do the same for all. Very easy job, guys. Very easy. Roll everything. Tight, you can. You take like that. Take around, even double. It's done. I'm gonna leave like that. You know? It's even beautiful. You know? Do all your rolls. And I show you later when we start cooking. Look how beautiful they are. You see? Absolutely, yeah. Very easy to make, very easy. Put your pan on, some oil inside, rolls inside. We're gonna brown it. Some onion we're gonna need, not too thin, but not too thick. Yeah, something like that. And now we wait. Do all of them. They a little bit brown. You don't have to do properly, you know, because they can pop like this. Onion inside. And this guy is gonna cook very gentle. We're gonna put the minimum 1.5 to 2 hours. Gonna be super soft. Even when you touch with fork, gonna be inside, because this skin become super soft. Lid on. Oh, the smell already is nice. Tomato passata inside. Mix well. We add some water. Put the minimum. Lid on. Hey guys, see you in a couple hours. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Stir, look, already going. This is gonna cook another 20-25 minutes and adjust the salt and pepper. Beautiful. Guys, 1 hour 45 minutes. Go ahead. The smell is unbelievable. My pork skin rolls is this. Unbelievable. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.